105J 450 volt capacitor. 1M resistance. Resistance connecting with capacitor both side. Bridge rectifier KBP 208. AC pin connecting with capacitor one side. Zener diode. Diode negative side connecting with rectifier positive pin. Diode positive side connecting with rectifier negative pin. 25 volt 470 UF capacitor. Capacitor negative side connecting with rectifier negative pin. Capacitor positive side connecting with rectifier positive pin. Two 20 volt plug wire. Input 1 wire connecting with rectifier AC pin. Input second wire connecting with first capacitor pin. "12 volt DC fan. Output negative wire connecting with capacitor negative line. Output positive wire connecting with capacitor positive lines. Don't touch.